Look at this 2008 Nissan Frontier. Carfax has certified this Frontier as having one owner. This Frontier has just under 61,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Frontier boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and bed liner. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.